Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer about this one. I will put n square into 1 over n and 1 over n. This one we keep the same. So in this situation, 1 over n in here will multiply by this one in here. And we have 2 over n plus 4 over n plus 6 over n and so on. The next one, we know that number 1, that is about 1 minus number 0 over n, and we keep this one same. So for this one, we can change like this. That is about the summation from I equals to number 1 to n. So this one we will have 2i over n. So if we look carefully about this one that is about the width of the rectangle. And this one that is about the length of the rectangle. So for example, from 0 to number 1, so from number 1 to number 0, we divide by n. That means we have a lot of n in here, and in each value of n we will have the length of the rectangle in here. So that means they want to transform this one into the integration from 0 to number 1, and this one in here that is about 2s. So the integration of 2s, we have s squared, and we put the value cone here, and we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.